I know it's tough times right now, and there's a lot of people out there that, you know, you're not making a lot of money, or you're making no money right now. But if you still own your motorcycle, I hope you keep it, because there are ways you can make money with your motorcycle. How do I know? Because I made some money with motorcycles. In this video, I'm going to tell you some tried and true actual ways you can make money right now with your motorcycle.
Let's go for a ride. Watching CycleCruza's all-in-one motorcycle channel. Subscribe today.
Make sure you're wearing the gear out there, and if you want to get my gear, like this ultra lightweight carbon fiber helmet with auto tint shield, my favorite helmet ever, my motovlog camera airbag vest to help keep you safe, which I never leave home without. All of my gear, I include links in the description and comment section of my videos. Yeah, baby. I love this bike. The number one way that you can make money with your motorcycle right now, and yeah, I'm not talking about YouTube, which I'll get to in a minute. I know you're probably thinking YouTube, but no, you can actually rent your motorcycle out. They have a service online you might want to check, because I was actually looking to rent a motorcycle to try out different bikes, and I was like, man, this is a really cool service where you can actually rent your motorcycle out. So that's something you could sign up right now to. Anybody can do, and make money off of your motorcycle. Just hope they don't crash it. And if they do, hopefully they better have insurance to replace it. But so that's something you can do right now. Number two is buying junk motorcycles or crash motorcycles, fixing them up and flipping them. And you can, I seen a guy actually buy a crap motorcycle, fix it up, sell it for more money, and work his way up to his dream motorcycle. That was a way for him to get money for the motorcycle he wanted without having to work 4 jobs. So that's a way to do it, man. And it's not that hard. You know, a lot of times it's just maybe needs some new rims, or it needs just some parts here and there to fix it up. So if you're mechanical and handy around a motorcycle, that's a very feasible way to make some money with motorcycles, most definitely. And yeah, baby. Woo! Yeah, baby. Having a good old time out here. But anyways, number 3, and by the way, these are in just random order. Some are better than others, but I'm just randomly saying that number 3 is that you can take stock footage of your bike, whether it be pictures of your beautiful motorcycle, or taking video, busting wheelies, or whatever. Stock footage that you can sell online. That is something very real that you can do right now too. There's companies online where you can sell your stock footage to. So that's another way to make some money, and I've seen some people do it. I don't know how much you can make doing it, but I'm sure you can make a little bit of money. Number 4, and that brings me to how I make some money with my motorcycles, is YouTube. Now, most of us are not getting rich out here, and I'm not on YouTube, but becoming a motovlogger, actually I started off, I didn't make crap. You know, I only did it for the pure love of motorcycles and just sharing my fun riding motorcycles with you guys. That's it. It wasn't about really making money for me early on. It just was later on that I started making some money doing it. So I was like, oh, that's awesome, man. You know, I'm having fun and motivating people to get a motorcycle and making a little bit of money at it too. So that's a way you can get started. I know it's not that easy these days to get popping on YouTube. You know, you usually have to know somebody that's really popular on YouTube, and they actually help you out, you know, give you a shout out or something, feature you in a video. That's how I got started, by the way. There was a motovlogger way back that he featured one of my bikes, and he gave me a shout out in his video, and that's what helped get my channel popping. So I always like to help out up and coming motovloggers out here. When I come across them on the street, they say they got a YouTube channel, I like to give them a shout out and help them out, you know.
CycleCruza!
Hey, what's up, man?
What's going on, man? Awesome. I want to catch up with you in the parkway one day. I'm about Charlie's riding adventures.
Oh, okay, cool. You want to try riding it?
What's it?
You want to try riding the bike?
Get out of here, man.
Swap bikes? What we got here? 1800. What's this, Indian?
BTX Honda.
BTX Honda, awesome, man.
Yeah.
I should know better than that. Nice. It's all about helping each other out. You know, none of us got to where we are in life by ourselves. It's worth a try. You got to be in it to win it, right? But anyways, number 5 is a really cool way you can make some money. And there's been some motovloggers that have done it, especially like in some of the islands, is starting a motorcycle tour company. And I had one of my viewers actually do that. He started a dual sport company and a touring company in Alaska, and he bought WR250Rs, and I thought that was really cool. Make sure he sees you. You know what I'm saying? To help keep you from having a real effed up day. You know what I'm saying, guys? Like I said, you want to be proactive out here on the streets. Let them know your presence, man, because they will pull out on you in a moment. So starting a tour company, you know, I seen a guy start a tour company, and I think it was in the Philippines or something. He was really popular motovlogger, man. I gotta slow it down out here. I'm acting a fool out here, boy. Gotta take it easy out here. See, I don't see nobody out here. That's why I'm doing that. Otherwise, I wouldn't speed in a residential neighborhood like this, or bus and wheelies. Ain't nobody around. See that? Everybody in the house. Coast is clear. But anyway, so that's a very real possible way. And he did really well on YouTube with his, you know, and then I think he got in an accident on his scooter or something. I haven't heard from him since, man. I don't know what's going on. He goes way back. He's one of the original motovloggers out here, man. So I hope he's doing well. But that's a really very real possibility of making some money is with the tour company. And there's some other ways too. Leave a comment below if there's any other ways. So that's why I do these videos, to help incite community discussion. Woohoo! Oh, I love my supermoto. Don't forget to subscribe to my All About Motorcycle channel. Make sure to check out my other channel, Bug Out Moto. Deuces.
Thumbs up. Check out my playlist for new riders and popular videos. Don't forget to comment and subscribe, and check out my other channel, Bug Out Moto, where I customize a van for my motorcycle so I can live in my van with my motorcycle and travel across the country anywhere. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, Bug Out Moto.